In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move numbers in Gohighlevel. By default, your Gohighlevel agency account comes with the LC phone system, and that's what makes it possible to manage and transfer phone numbers between sub-accounts inside your agency. If you're reorganizing accounts, helping a client transition, or simply correcting where a number should live, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. To begin, go to Gohighlevel and open your agency dashboard. From there, focus on the menu on the left-hand side of the screen, because that's where you'll find the settings area you need for this task. Click on Settings to open the main configuration options for your agency account. Once you're inside Settings, look again to the left-hand side and click on Phone Integration. This is the section where your phone system settings are managed, including the tools related to number assignment and movement. If you don't immediately see the exact option you need, just make sure you're in the agency level settings and not inside an individual sub-account, since moving numbers is handled from the agency side. In the phone integration area, click on Move Numbers. This will open the transfer interface where you can choose where the phone number is currently located and where you want it to go. The key part here is selecting the correct source and destination sub-account. The source is the account the number is currently assigned to, and the destination is the account you want to move it into. Use the drop-down button to make your selections. Take a moment here and double-check both accounts before continuing. This is especially important if you manage several client accounts with similar names, because choosing the wrong source or destination could create confusion later. After you've selected the source and destination sub-account, review everything one more time to confirm it looks correct. Once you're done, click on Move Number to complete the transfer. That's it. The number will be moved from one sub-account to the other through the phone integration settings in your agency dashboard. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to verify the number appears in the destination account after the move is complete, just to make sure everything transferred as expected. And that's how to move numbers in Gohighlevel.